Hello everyone, we want to show you how our EcoPlus machine works. We want to show you that the magnet is strong enough to hold the pins. Yeah, we have the pins 5 centimeters long. As you can see, it doesn't fall off even when hitting hard. Yeah, it doesn't fall off. It's attached strongly to the magnet. Now we will show you a few welds. As you can see, it works just alright. Okay, thank you.